gratitude to Vikram sir to give me this golden opportunity
Sorry.
to perform over here. So through this story, we told you that how a poor and dirty area convert into a development area, and there the development of schools, hospitals, and all the extra.
Very nice.
So, through the story, now I am introduce you with my team members.
I'm introducing you.
Now I am introducing you with my team members. So first, come. All of them.
First,
So first, I wanna introduce you with the Mr. Billu. Mr. Billu, who is also a Sabasad and from both societies, and he is so. And next, the Rekha, she is wife of Mr. Billu. And the next, Mrs. Tina, she is daughter of Billu. And I am the rectifier, and I collect the garbage from both societies, and I throw the garbage on my society because the Sabasad give me salary for my work, and I dirty my own place and my area. And
last one.
Bindia is my daughter. And the Harsha ma'am is also an indicator, and she.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
And she introduced and she is also a narrator of our team, and the coach of our team, Abhishek sir. They help us in too much.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Very good.
Morning of rich family is started now. Let's start. Good morning, dear. Good morning.
Now I have to get ready soon. Rekha, where is my coffee?
Yes, coming. Here it is.
Mama, where is my breakfast?
Yes, coming. Here it is.
Thank you so much. The morning for poor family is started now. Good morning, Mumbai.
Morning.
Nothing to eat.
Baba is still sleeping.
He did not go to work.
Baba, get up. Please get up. Baba, today you are so late.
Yeah, India. I am so late.
Be little louder, okay?
Yeah, India. I am so late. I open chin up and you take breakfast for me. Vidya, where is my breakfast?
Baba, nothing to eat.
There is nothing to eat in the home.
Yeah.
Why are you serious?
Yeah.
You have a cup. I'll manage some food for in the night. I'm going to find for my work.
देख 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 तू या भावाना देख देख तू या भावाना
Garbage! Garbage! Tina,
Yes, Dad.
go and throw the garbage.
I can't do the garbage. My hands get dirty.
Rekha, go and throw the garbage.
Here.
Something is sticky. Get lost from here.
Okay, ma'am.
रात फूल पाती
भैया.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल
Garbage!
गाड़ी वाला।
1
The next evening is started now. Tina is returning from her college and one bad boy teasing her. That's all.
Oh, hello, ma'am. Where are you going?
What the hell are you? Don't have manners to talk
I
to
don't
a girl?
have manner. You talk to me in manner.
Just shut up your mouth and get lost from here.
If you have a number, so you give me your number.
Oh my god. Which boy? You don't have manners? What?
I don't have money. You talk manner.
Actually, the bad boy is teasing me. Who's this? I don't know. Who's this? I don't know. Run and I will beat you.
Why? You don't touch me. You are
I will
dirty.
beat you.
You are dirty girl. You don't touch me.
You
You
go.
don't touch me. I will see you.
I'm
I will
ready.
see you.
I'm ready.
I will see you.
Thank you so much for helping me. It's okay. It's not very good. Okay. I'm feeling thirsty actually. Come here. Can I ask you a question? How have you been living here for so many years? It is a too dirty place and there are a heap of garbage all around. How have you been living here? There is my purse. It's my habit. So, I think I'm getting late. I should be going. Thank you so much. It's very good. Now I have to do something to help those family and to clean their garbage. I will talk to my father.
Why are you late, Tina?
Mama, first of all, let me sit. I will explain you everything. Actually, Mama, today when I was returning from my college, so there was a bad boy who was teasing me. And you know, there was a girl who lived in that dirty area who helped me. And when I went to her house, it was too dirty. There was a heap of garbage. And when I found that he was living in a very dirty area, so can we do something to help that girl and to clean that
Why are you
garbage?
worrying about them?
Dad, we can help them, so why we
Don't
can't
talk
Hey,
so
these
much,
are
Tina.
Now, Mom, that we can help them.
Go in your room, do your study.
Okay. Tina is thinking something in her room about the poor family. So now I have to do something because my mom and dad is not ready to help those people. I have to do something. Yes. Next morning started now.
Garbage.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल
I will throw it. Uncle, just throw all the garbage in front of my
But
house.
why, beta?
Actually, there is something in my mind. Just wait and watch.
So you say that I will do it.
Yes.
Hello, Miss Mahajan. How are you? Yeah, I'm always fine. Say my name first. Oh, what is this? Tina! Tina!
Yes, Dad.
What is this?
I don't know.
It is very disgusting.
Oh, Dad, just look at yourself. You are not able to smell this garbage for a few minutes. So just think about those people who have been living in that dirty area.
Wow,
So
very nice,
difficult.
very nice. Clap for this dialogue. Very nice.
So just think about that and we should do something for that. Are you agree with it?
Yeah, sorry, Tina. Actually, you're right.
Yes, Dad. So, So, as you all are seen here, Tina pulled a place where poor family and rich family can throw a garbage at one's place. The advantage of this is the garbage keeper can keep the garbage at one's place and separate the different kinds of garbage like dry waste and wet waste and recycle and decomposable waste very easily. Dry waste, as you know, paper, cardboard, plastic, is used for building the roads. And wet waste, as you know, vegetable peels, fruits and leftover from our house is using for making a manure for growing a good crops, and some recycled and decomposable things like glass bottles, like iron. We can recycle it very easily, and you can also see this area, the poor and dirty area. From doing this, the poor and dirty, very slum area converted into a very green and good, perfect society. There's been hospitals, school, park and colonies started being built. So guys, clean habit and white rabbit, both are good for our nature. Thank you so much.
Wow, 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 very nice. Very, very nice, very nice.
So, dear friends, the moral of our role play is not only the cleaning of the garbage. The moral of our role play is how to recycle it and reuse it. And at the end, we will also want to express our heartily gratitude to our coach, our leader, Abhishek sir, who guide us in a very right way and cheer us all the time. Thank you so much.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice.